It looks like Nothing is gearing up for a busy 2025 with multiple smartphone releases, including the Nothing Phone 3, Phone 3A, and possibly a Phone 3A Plus. The March 4th event will likely introduce at least one of these, with speculation leaning toward the mid-range Phone 3 rather than the flagship Phone 3. But what can we expect from the upcoming flagship? Keep watching. According to recent reports, Nothing is set to unveil a series of innovative devices in 2025, prominently featuring the much-anticipated Nothing Phone 3, as well as the more budget-friendly Phone 3A and potentially a Phone 3, a Plus variant. The company has scheduled an event for March 4th, where it is expected to showcase at least one of these new models. Speculation suggests that the spotlight will shine on the mid-range Nothing Phone 3A, which aims to offer an exceptional balance of performance and affordability. In addition to the Phone 3A, the flagship Nothing Phone 3 is anticipated to launch later in the year. This model is set to emphasize a more premium design and enhanced features compared to its predecessors, incorporating cutting-edge technology and refined aesthetics. The Nothing Phone series has always been recognized for its signature transparent back and glyph interface, and the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to continue this trend. However, early rumors suggest a more refined approach, possibly with a more premium build, thinner bezels, and an even more durable chassis. As for the display, Nothing may leap forward by offering bigger a 6.8-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, a significant upgrade over the Nothing Phone 2's 6.7-inch screen. This could put it in direct competition with premium smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max, both of which offer high-quality OLED panels with advanced refresh rates and brightness levels. One of the most anticipated aspects of the Nothing Phone 3 is its performance. Reports indicate that Nothing is planning to enter the flagship segment for the first time, moving away from the high-end mid-range positioning of its predecessors. While the Phone 2 came with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, the Phone 3 is rumored to sport either the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or a heavily optimized AI-powered chipset, bringing it on par with leading flagship models. Nothing has also been investing in AI development, aiming to integrate AI-powered features into its software. This could include enhanced camera AI, better on-device processing, and possibly generative AI for smarter interactions. Given that companies like Google and Samsung are leaning heavily into AI features with the Pixel 8 and Galaxy S24 series, it makes sense for Nothing to follow suit to remain competitive. Nothing has steadily improved its camera game, but the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to take things up a notch. Leaks suggest the possibility of a 50-megapixel primary sensor with improved computational photography and a periscope zoom camera, something new for Nothing. If true, this would put it in line with premium camera-centric smartphones like the Google Pixel 8 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, both known for their exceptional imaging capabilities. Additionally, the mid-range Nothing Phone 3A might come with a dual camera system featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor and a telephoto lens, a rare inclusion in mid-tier devices. This could make it a strong contender against the Pixel 7a and upcoming Pixel 8a. Battery life is a critical aspect of any smartphone, and Nothing is rumored to be improving in this department. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to feature a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, which would be a step up from the 4,700 mAh cell on the Phone 2. If wireless charging improvements are also made, it could become a viable alternative to the OnePlus 12 and Samsung's latest flagships, both of which offer rapid charging solutions. For the mid-range Nothing Phone 3A, a similar battery is rumored, ensuring solid longevity. However, the charging speed might be slightly lower to differentiate it from the flagship model. Nothing has focused heavily on software optimization until now, but the upcoming Nothing OS update may introduce AI-powered features, enhanced customization options, and an overall smoother user experience. It could be preloaded with Nothing OS 3.1, which is based on Android 15. Additionally, with the company increasing its software and camera development teams by 50%, we can expect a significant improvement in optimization and support. Additionally, Nothing's ecosystem is expanding, with integrations across its other products, including the Nothing Ear 2 and upcoming Ear 3 earbuds. If the Nothing Phone 3 comes with enhanced connectivity and device synergy, it could create a more seamless user experience similar to Apple's ecosystem. The Nothing Phone 3 is entering a tough market. It needs to compete with strong rivals like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, Google Pixel 8 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max if it wants to be considered a flagship phone. To compete with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Nothing Phone 3 must match its camera quality, display, and AI features. The S24 Ultra has features like the S Pen and a powerful zoom camera, so the Nothing Phone will need to offer something special to stand out. When going up against the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Nothing faces a challenge. Apple's phone is part of a larger ecosystem and has a premium look along with a top-notch processor. Nothing needs to price its phone well and provide a smooth Android experience with helpful AI tools. In the competition with the Google Pixel 8 Pro, Nothing must keep up with Google's impressive software and AI photography. If it can deliver better hardware and a unique design while matching Google's photography skills, it may find its own space in the market. For the mid-range model, the Nothing Phone 3A will likely compete with the Pixel 8a and Samsung's Galaxy A55. If it features a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, a telephoto camera, and a long battery life, it could be an attractive option for buyers looking in that price range. The Nothing Phone 3 aims to become a flagship contender with a refined design and improved features. Its success will depend on competitive pricing to attract tech enthusiasts and mainstream users. Anticipation is high for the March 4th event, which is expected to unveil at least one new Nothing device. Whether it's the Phone 3 or a mid-range model, Nothing aims to shake up the smartphone market again. Do you think the same? Let's discuss it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.